Every empire swears its money is safe. Every government insists its promises will last forever. And every time, history proves them wrong. From Rome to France, from the Confederacy to modern Lebanon, people have watched their savings vanish and their futures collapse. Not in a single night, but in slow motion. Collapse isn't rare, it's normal. The question isn't if the system breaks, it's how you survive when it does. Money feels solid, permanent, but it's not. It's just trust, and trust can disappear overnight. Take the Byzantine Empire. For centuries, its gold coin, the solidus, was the most trusted currency in the world. Pure gold. Unchanging. Global. Then, slowly, emperors started stretching it thinner, mixing in cheaper metals. At first, no one noticed. Then one day, people stopped believing. Trade collapsed. The economy cracked. And the ones who survived weren't the loyal citizens. They were the ones holding real gold and land outside the empire's reach. Lesson 1. Every government eventually dilutes its money. And when they do, real value flees to things they can't counterfeit. The mid-1300s brought the Black Death. Half of Europe gone in just a few years. But after the plague, something strange happened. Labor became precious. The survivors could demand higher wages. Land became cheap. Opportunity was everywhere. For those who had the strength or the silver to seize it. Centuries later, during COVID, we saw the same story. Those with cash and assets grew richer. Those living paycheck to paycheck slipped further behind. Lesson 2. Crises don't just destroy wealth, they redistribute it. The prepared rise, the unprepared sink. In the 1300s, Florence was the banking heart of Europe. Families like the Bardi and Peruzzi lent fortunes to kings. Then England's Edward III defaulted, and those too-big-to-fail banks collapsed overnight. Depositors were ruined. Lesson 3. Size and reputation mean nothing. Institutions exist to protect themselves, not you. During the American Civil War, both sides printed money to fund the fight. The Union printed greenbacks. The South printed graybacks. By the end, Confederate money was worthless. Soldiers carried sacks of bills that couldn't buy bread. Those who held gold, land, or food survived. Lesson 4. Faith fades. Hard value doesn't. Revolutionary France tried to print its way to stability with assignats backed by church land. Each new issue weakened the last. Prices exploded and faith collapsed. When trust dies, money dies faster. And it's not ancient history. Between 2019 and 2021, Lebanon's banks locked the doors. People woke up to find their savings frozen. Their currency down over 90%. Doctors, teachers, retirees, all wiped out overnight. Lesson 6. Your bank balance isn't cash. It's a promise, and promises can vanish. Across every empire, every century, one truth stands. Real value is what can't be printed. Goldland. Skills.food. The people who can create and provide, not just hoard, always come out on top. Collapse isn't the end of the world. It's a transfer. From those who trusted to those who prepared. So when the system breaks, will you be left holding paper promises or something real? History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And if you're listening closely, it's rhyming right now.